We are just about to make our way to one of the most highly anticipated restaurants we've been waiting to go to. It's one of the highest ranked on TripAdvisor. The link, the description, the address, everything will be in the description box below, so everyone can go and try it out and give me their feedback on it. Right now I'm wearing a Nalim shirt again. It was a full suit. Unfortunately I couldn't find anything or the shoes that would match the suit bottoms that came with it, so I'm wearing this. I have a brownie colored chinos on, and then I just have plain black normal slip-on shoes. So we're really looking forward to it. Let's make our way to the restaurant and enjoy some divine food. We are starting off with some drinks. I have the menu here, so do not get them wrong. I have the Moscow Mule, Clayton has the underrated sours, and my mom has the virgin fruit, which is kind of just a mixture of fruit with some syrup. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a sip of all these and give you guys a breakdown. To start off, I'll go with the virgin cocktail, which is my mom's. That is actually really nice. I think there's pineapple and ginger or something in there. Very nice flavors to that. Gone to this is the one without egg whites on it, because Clayton didn't like the sounds of that, so very nice. Is that with whiskey?
Bourbon.
That was bourbon, you can taste it, that's very strong. And the Moscow Mule, this is what I absolutely love, so high expectations. I love the glass, I love the presentation. Out of all of them, I love mine, made a good choice, and I'm going to give everyone the drinks back and enjoy it again. I managed to convince my mom to be in the video, so this deserves you to smash that subscribe button, smash the like button. Just for opinion, I have an original beef burger with mature steak, with mature cheddar and some onions on the top. The drink I had was very strong, and then I have some sweet potato fries with some tomato sauce, some ketchup. My mom, what do you have? You have a
vegetable curry with jasmine rice.
Vegetable curry and jasmine rice. My mom's more on the vegetarian vegan side of things, so that is what she's having. I'm having the complete opposite, and then Clayton has some rice with some chicken, but also looks absolutely delicious. So we're going to tuck it now and just enjoy our dinner. Just finished our main meal, so now we're doing round 2 of drinks. I was going to go for a virgin drink this time because the previous round, it was really strong, and I was like, trying to find my balance. But now I've got a caipirinha, which I believe was not meant to be a strong drink, but it's come here and my mom told me no, it's actually tequila. So this is going to be very strong, but looks delicious. My mom has a pina colada, and then my brother has a virgin colada because she was driving, and then my brother has a caipirinha. And when it was coming, I was hoping this was mine. Okay, chai. Okay, this wasn't it. I'll put the name on the screen. I cannot remember what he's having.
But let's give this a try. I was hoping this was mine because it looked delicious, but we're just going to do a little circle between me and my brother, pass it around, share it. So my try. That's really, really tasty. You can taste the tequila or the like strong smoky flavor in it. They're really nice. Give this one a try. I think anyone knows me, you can't go wrong with a pina colada. Coconut flavor is always the best. You can put coconut in anything, it tastes absolutely amazing. And then give my brother one to try. It's really nice. I'm not the biggest fan of cream, so that's why that wouldn't be my first choice. But it's really, really tasty. Always tastes like a cocktail milkshake, but absolutely delicious. Let everyone get their drinks back. Let's dig in.
Absolutely nothing to say except the highest praise. Bistro 22, you were absolutely phenomenal. The cocktails were delicious. The service was incredible. The manager was on board, top class. He even just had a really nice conversation with us outside. It was an absolutely lovely evening. Our food was delicious and it was just so great. It's so nice when you see that people take pride in what they're serving, take pride in their service, and it was an absolutely memorable night. So thank you all so much for watching. Smash that subscribe button so we can grow together, get better together while improving little by little each and every single day while spreading Ghana, while spreading Africa to the world. And I would highly recommend coming and visiting. I would give it a 9 out of 10.